Hello everybody and welcome to the Sylix Studios official channel. This is me and my friends quote-unquote company's channel for all of our content. You can see stuff ranging from games to animations to devlogs, model logs and 3D models all on here. Plus we have a load more content coming. So I'm Rahul, the coder and developer. My friend Ninja, as we'll call him throughout this, is our 3D modeler and animation maker. He is there because my art skills, well, they're a bit non-existent. So yeah, and let's get into our first devlog. Hello everybody and welcome to the first devlog on our Sylix Studios channel. So this is for the first game that I'm creating. It is called Skatepark Neon City. In this game, we're gonna have a cool neon city with a person designed obviously by Ninja, cause once again, art skills non-existent. So yeah, we're just gonna make a cool skating game where you skate over neon buildings in a totally unlit city other than light that I'm gonna try and get emanating from the buildings to make it look really cool. You're gonna be jumping over things like buildings, schools, houses, town halls, all this type of stuff you'll find in a city. And yeah, so that's basically it. Let's start it up by creating a new project in Unity. So it's gonna be, of course, a 3D project because like they just look cooler. And also it's gonna have a moving camera to go through. I'm gonna now just set this up, call it Skatepark Neon City. Plus everybody who is here watching, you will get free access before the game is even out for probably a month. And so yeah, stick around. Neon City. So yeah, we're gonna have a 3D location set up and okay, so Unity is opened up and I have set up my layout and everything. So the first thing, of course, I'm going to do is just create a new scene. And scene. We're going to call this level 1. We'll set up the title scene and UI later, but we can delete sample scene because no one wants a sample. They want the real game. Let's load this up, save. Now I have to delete it. I find this very annoying. So we have a main camera and a directional light first. So what I'm gonna do is, of course, when you fall, you need to die. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just create terrain, which is probably just gonna be grass, and I'll add roads on later. For some reason, I'm currently only gonna create like art and buildings and stuff. I find that very dumb since my coding skills are definitely much more than my art skills. And so I find it very dumb that I'm doing this, but why not? Let's make this first. So let's just reset this to 0 because for some reason they don't show up on 0. Don't get this. Then we'll just scale this. Actually, so scale it here. Like how big? Like 100 by like 100. Actually, no. I think I made that a bit too thick. 30. Sure. And let's change that to 100. Yay. So let's make that 10. I find, what's the need actually of making it so huge? So now I am just gonna position this -5y. Because according to my probably also non-existent math skills, that should be equal? Looks kind of off, but once again, no math skills. I should probably make this green, so let's make a new folder called materials, cause for some reason in Unity your colors are materials. There's probably a reason for that I would never understand, but let's just make a material for now. Is it called a physic material? I don't think so. Material. Found it. Grassy. So I'm just gonna call that grassy cause yeah, why not? And we're gonna make this what about, let's see, how green should I make it? It's grass. I'm gonna make it a little dark. Actually no, Unity always renders everything too dark for me, don't know why, so make it pretty light. And now when I put this in, it'll look like grass. Yay, let's check in here. Close enough. The camera, I have a feeling, is not in the best place. Yeah, not in the best place. Camera. Yeah, okay, yeah, that's what it's viewing. I'm gonna move this like way back. Ugh. And push it back, 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 back. And is that just me or is that way too far? Let's actually just change the range. Let's see what looks nice as a range. Where's the range? The range. The range. Here we go. Field of view. Zoom in a bunch. Move it up a bit. Okay, I just want to see what this camera is viewing. There we go. Up a little. Make the grass like way bigger than it should be. Very healthy grass, very healthy. And still looks dumb. More uppiness, I guess. That looks nice, but I'm gonna make this like more than 100 long, cause why not? A reasonable amount would probably be 200. But I probably don't have reasoning skills, so let's make that 1,000. Looks nice. Okay, so before I try and abuse my art skills, I'm just gonna put a backdrop here. And right there. New cube. Cube. And backdrop. That's not supposed to have a capital D, is it? I hope not. I'm just gonna reset that, because why the hell is it 36 in C? Why? I don't get this. Let's go closer. Pull it forward. What is this thing with Unity where your cursor goes through like that? Like, seriously, that... Like, I know it's useful, but it feels cursed for some reason. So, I'm gonna call it the Unity's cursed thingy stuff that I don't care about. I think that's 60 right there. And scale it to, like, 1. Yeah, that's good. Y, like, 100. And scale, like, that was 1,000, right? So 1,100. Let us go back and see my masterpiece. Ah, such greatness. Or at least it's great for what I can do. I'm probably gonna put some road around there-ish, so let's just make a new material, if I can find it this time. I think it's... Finally. Black. Because black backdrops are cool. Black. Come. Black. And actually, I might give it a little, like, depth and light. Because if I put this on now... Yeah, you see how, like, the light shows up there? And it makes it look nice. Okay, so let's just go over here and see how our game view looks. See how our game view looks now. It's not big enough. Oh yeah, what if I do that? That looks nice. Yay, such a great game. Do you like Greenland with black stuff in the back? Such a great creation. Anyway, now I'm just gonna create a second cube. Not second, what is that, like third? Once again, no math skills. Cube. Reset it because Unity's crazy. Oh, this is the middle of my project. I didn't know that. But anyway, what I'm gonna do is first for the building, I wanna just make like a base. So let's do that one there, and if I scale it to 2, it should be a thick enough base with Z at like 30, 20. Yeah, actually maybe like that 25. 5. Yeah, that looks nice. And for this, we're probably gonna make it like 20, 30, 40. And that's a thick building, too much. 32. That looks nice. I'm just gonna position it at X like 500. Not that far. 450 can be the start of our level. Okay, the camera right now doesn't matter, but I just want to make sure that you can actually see it in the game. Because the camera will be moved anyway, but let's just change the range of view. Like that. Move the camera way back. There, that looks nice. And then we're just gonna have to make this like 100. That like -50. And then maybe, just maybe, I've created something of a beauty. Actually, no. Once again, no beauty here. Oh, you can't even see it. Let's just move the camera up. Up. Up you go. I still can't exactly see it. Actually, the camera, you can't even see far enough to the backdrop. Need to make that bigger. What the hell? What just... Oh, okay. That works. So, that's a building, but I feel like it should have a more, like a bigger X. Actually, I feel like this needs to be bigger, because if we're passing through a bunch of things, then, like, the X should be like 2000 or something. This, we need to make then 2100. And yay, we have created a masterpiece. Okay, so we're gonna need a whole lot of buildings. It's probably gonna be the main thing. So now you can watch me create a building that isn't gonna look the tiniest bit human. Okay, after that attempt at building-ish looking kinda thing, let's put more of these stupid things in, cause why not? So for now, I'm just gonna keep on copying these, and then I'm gonna recolor them and maybe even make them glow so they like look cool. Okay, this is gonna be tedious, isn't it? dang. Okay, so first, when I finish this, I'm gonna have to like delete the whole proper light source and completely rebuild it, cause yeah, I'm just gonna have to. And otherwise, and like rebuild it throughout, like to come out of the buildings. Let's see how far we are in here. Oh man, we're only about halfway. Okay, I'm just gonna create a new group. I'm just gonna call buildings. And then if I just put all of these into here, then I can copy them all and da-na-na-na. Yay, we have way too many buildings. Okay, let's just come here and hope this looks nice. Ooh, I did something dumb. Then again, most of the things I do are dumb. Okay, firstly, why did I not realize that backdrop is way too small before? Why, like, 100? Like that. 200? Oh, no, that has to be like negative 100. Oh, no, not negative 100. 100. And then this has to be like 200. Move down a little. Oh man, seriously, how big is this thing? Like 400 now? Please work. A little more. Let's just move that up a bit. Yes. Now that is what we call way too many buildings plus a disgusting black backdrop. These are a little too much to the side. That looks nice-ish, kind of, maybe. Now I have to recolor all these, so I'll just go into my materials and I'll probably just create a new group called building colors, cause these have to be neon. So what colors are neon? I'll think of a few, but like if anyone has any suggestions or just stupid colors that aren't the tiniest bit neon, just put them in the comments. I'll try them out, cause with my art skills nothing can look bad, cause everything looks worse. Anyway, let's create materials. And how much? We'll have green, I think. We'll have a pink too. Just rename this to pink. This is all I'm gonna have for now. But yeah, if you guys, if you guys come up with anything, be sure to put in the comments and we'll do it. I'll do it. So pink. Let me try and make. Okay, this looks pinkish. I really want a vibrant pink, like yay. So then, like when light comes out, it's really nice. I'd say that looks nice enough. Green. Why did I not put green on? And let's make that a nice green. Also has to be really vibrant. More vibrant than grass. Sure? Let's see how that looks in game view. That'll look better when I make it like emanate light. But anyway, now I'm gonna speed up and do that because that's gonna be boring if I don't. Okay everyone, so yeah, I've added a bunch of colors in and I've also like left a few in the middle so that you guys can have it, and I've put it like not exactly in a pattern, just cause why not? Just yeah. And so what I'm gonna do now is actually just make it look like hopefully a little nicer when light comes out of them. So first, if I just come into here, what I need to do, I'm guessing, is create a light, a point light, because for some reason point lights are circles. But yeah, so we'll just put that in the middle of the building first to start off with. Then what we're going to do now is just expand its range, like make the range way huger so it looks like there's light coming out of it. I feel like that's a bit too big since like every single one of the buildings are really close to each other. I'm gonna make it a little smaller. That looks nice-ish. Kind of. Okay, but anyway, so now that I've had that, does it automatically get applied to others? Yeah, there. Yeah, it does. Okay. Yeah, okay, yeah, auto applied. Now, I'm just gonna delete the first actual light that came out, and let's see how that looks. I don't think that worked. So, let's see what's wrong with this. I think what's probably wrong is that inside here, the point light here, maybe it's not intense enough. Like, if I intensify it by like, how much? Let's try 20. And also make the range a little bigger. Then maybe it'll look nice. Let's see. Okay, that's working, but I have it. I know what's wrong with this. There's a second type of light we're actually going to need here, which is a point light. I mean, not a point light, a spotlight. So this is create a light, point light, not a point light. Create a light spotlight. There we go. That. Now if I just move that away there, come here and put it in the middle-ish, then I need to just rotate this, and if I move this back and then I extend the range more than a sane man should, there we go. And put the intensity to like 20. Yeah, no, 10 is nice. 10 is nice. Make this come out a little more. Set the range to like 5 first. And then if I just do that, I really hope this works, because if it doesn't, then I'm sad. And put it on. What? Why? Oh, come on, really? So I'll come back to you guys when I've got this problem fixed. Okay, so I've gotten this fixed as much as I can. There's this weird halo thing here. Even though I've turned off halos, don't really know what that's all about, but I'll try and fix this. I've added the directional light back in because actually we ended up needing it. And so yeah, I'm just hoping this works out. I'll probably try and fix this, see what's wrong. Don't really know, but I'll do my best. And so I guess that marks the end of the video, guys. Remember to like and subscribe and comment whatever color you want me to add to the neon building colors here. And so see you next time, guys, where we'll try putting in some code, maybe not, add some roads, more stuff like this. So bye.